There are few settings where positive energy is more important than a home care environment. Home care sometimes involves great sadness and difficult situations, and while it is important to respect those things as realities, it is also important to go to great lengths to magnify positivity on every level. Fortunately, there are many easy steps caregivers and residents can take to bring positive energy into the home. In addition to contributing to the overall health and well-being of the home care patient, making a home brighter, cleaner, and more positive also benefits caregivers and attendants alike. That said, here are 10 easy ways to bring more positive energy into the home. 1. Focus on natural sunlight. For such a simple tip, this one really packs a punch. Natural sunlight stimulates the production of vitamin D, which elevates mood and makes people feel happier almost instantly. Additionally, ample access to natural sunlight can help alleviate depressive symptoms and uplift lonely, ill, or aging patients. To capitalize upon the positive powers of sunlight, open blinds and draw back curtains to let natural light into the room. Cleaning glass windows and removing obstructions that block light can also help make the room feel brighter and more positive. 2. Declutter. Clutter causes stress, and nothing squashes positive energy quite like stress. In addition to being unpleasant to live with, clutter can often be dangerous in a home care setting. Decluttering an area helps space feel calmer and more open, and also serves the utilitarian purpose of getting rid of things that are no longer needed. Even a simple step like decluttering a single drawer in the kitchen or bedroom can have a profound effect on the positivity of a room or space. Make sure that commonly used areas such as kitchen tables, nightstands, coffee tables, and kitchen counters stay clean and clear of clutter, and replace the clutter with a jar of flowers or treasured family photos instead. 3. Incorporate houseplants or flowers. Incorporating plants into a household offers dozens of benefits. In addition to improving air quality, beautifying a space, and adding personality to an area, living houseplants and fresh-cut flowers have also been shown to improve the emotions and mental states of ill or elderly patients. Opt for easy care plants like succulents or ferns and arrange them around the house in sunny windows and high-traffic areas. To incorporate even more beauty, opt for plants that flower, like lilies or orchids. Flowering plants give both the patient and the caretaker something to look forward to every few months, and there is nothing quite like a beautiful bloom to make space feel happier and more positive. 4. Open windows. Most people know that spending time outdoors offers benefits like reduced anxiety and lower blood pressure rates, but, in a home care setting, it is often difficult for patients or caregivers to spend a great deal of time in nature. Fortunately, it's easy to do the next best thing. As often as possible, throw windows open to let some fresh air into the home. In addition to reviving a musty room by allowing fresh, clean air to enter the space, opening windows also allows both the patient and the caregiver to hear outdoor sounds such as birdsong, rainstorms, distant thunder, and kids laughing down the street. Although it's not quite the same as actually being outdoors, opening windows can have a huge impact on the positivity of a given space. 5. Apply a fresh coat of paint. Although some home care settings may not allow this, sprucing up a room with paint is a wonderful way to make it feel clean, fresh, and bright. Pick a color the occupant loves and paint while she is away. When the painting is done, put everything away and have a mini welcome home party. Painting, although simple, can have a profound effect on the positivity of an area by covering blemishes on the walls and imbuing the room with new life. 6. Hang artwork. Hanging meaningful artwork on the walls goes a long way toward inviting positive energy into the home. Hang favorite artwork in high-traffic areas, and consider placing cards or drawings done by children, friends, or grandchildren in high-visibility areas like the refrigerator or in frames on the living room and bedroom walls. Hanging meaningful artwork provides a constant reminder of love, light, and happiness, and can immediately make a room feel more positive. 7. Invite nature in. If there is a large window anywhere in the home, consider placing a bird feeder directly outside of it. Bird feeders come in a variety of sizes and can be hung from freestanding iron stands if nothing else is available. Birds will start frequenting the new feeder within a matter of days, and both the resident and caregiver can enjoy spotting new species and listening to their beautiful songs. 8. Add some color. Adding a pop of color to a room can immediately make the area feel brighter and livelier, and, fortunately, it is one of the easiest changes a person can make. Place a few bright throw pillows on the couch or drape a pretty quilt over the bed for an instant boost. Color is clinically proven to influence mood, and lively colors like greens, yellows and reds can have immediate positive impact on happiness and energy. 9. Use scent. The scent is a powerful sense, and multiple studies have proven that aromatherapy can actually contribute to making people feel happier. To instantly invite positive energy into space, pick an upbeat essential oil like lavender, rosemary, or tangerine and place a few drops into a diffuser. Essential oils are non-toxic, customizable, and safe, and they can help make a room smell fresh, bright, and happy for hours on end. 10. Pay attention to lighting. A room that is dark and poorly lit is almost guaranteed to feel depressing and close. Even if a room doesn't have much natural sunlight, it is important to make sure it is well lit just the same. The simple act of turning on lamps and overhead lights at the appropriate times of day can instantly help a room feel brighter and cleaner, which can help residents and caregivers alike feel more awake, more lively, and more positive. Learning to bring positive energy into the home is especially important in a home care setting. Making a room feel happier, brighter, and more expansive can have marked effects on the happiness and well-being of both the resident and the caretaker. Fortunately, enhancing the mood of a space is easy, and these 10 simple tips can help you start bringing positive energy into the home today. Below are given affiliate links of some products in the description by me, where you can see them and purchase if you like them. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, to subscribe to the engineer AJ Lard's channel, How to Make Home.